This is how we jive from us communication. Here I'm again with another video. Here I'm again with another try on video. I'm gonna try on one t-shirt from Incerunmen. They have very lovely looking t-shirts. You can see guys the pack, lovely looking Incerunmen, beautiful pack with skateboarding here, and ziploc pack, very good for traveling any other purpose. So let's unzip this one to take out this lovely looking t-shirt here. Wow, beautiful color. You see here how it is. It's something as a blazer. This one also from Incerunmen. If you like this one, check the video description. You're gonna get 15% discount with the link of Harry. So let's try this on. I'm gonna show you. This is elegant. As you can see guys, it has a lovely v-neck, a long one. How beautiful this is. This is a small size, perfect fit. Your body should be straight and you do little bit exercise to pump, so it will look better. Okay, so my slim may not look that good. It has a shape as a blazer. You see here, lovely looking. If you want, you can open as this. You can use this way as well. See how it is, both way, different way this, but this is the main style. There's a body here, straight body. You can use with the jeans. I'm using with the jeans. You see how full body this is looking. You can use with the jeans. This is tight fit or slim fit jeans. You can use also with a loose one as you like, as you feel comfortable. You can use with a sneaker. I'm using a Solomon sneaker and a jeans from Forever 21 with Armani, also Pull&Bear, different type of jeans. Black jeans would be better. You see good combination, black with black, more elegant with this one. See how here this line as a blazer, lovely, excellent. See how it looks from back. In this case, straight body. Can use some hat and necklace, as this is little bit long. So if you put some necklace at the middle, some chain, a fat one or slim one, doesn't matter, but more round shape will be better with this type of collar. Look more elegant in this case guys, lovely. Look at this Pull&Bear baggy jeans, casual look. You see here, you can use some boot at the down. Okay guys, if you like this t-shirt, check the video description. You have a link, 15% discount directly from the website on my name, yes, on Harry. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then, bye.